Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy workaround on how to cancel Call AI subscription tutorial. So to get started, so if you subscribe on iPhone, like using your Apple App Store, just to subscribe. So here's a simple workaround for that. Open the settings app on your iPhone, then tap your Apple ID name at the top, then tap your subscription, then select the Call AI from the list, then tap cancel subscription, then reconfirm it again to cancel the subscription. So when it shows tap cancel subscription, confirm it to cancel. Then if you subscribe on Android, so using your Google Play, open your Google Play app store on your device, which is your Android, then tap your profile icon at the top right, then tap payment and subscription, then tap subscription. So choose AI from the list of this subscription that you have on the list, then tap cancel subscription, then confirm. And that's how you can easily do that. So if you're on the website, so if you subscribe on the Call AI website, so go to the website and log in into your account. So click your profile icon or the settings icon, then go to bills or subscription, then click cancel subscription, then confirm to stop the subscription. And that's how you can easily cancel Call AI subscription on any devices. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.